Namaste everyone. Welcome to Aphinya Yoga. I am Aphinya. Welcome to the channel that dedicated to the practice of health and happiness. And if you're new to my channel, what an honor that our path crossed today. I hope you are doing amazing. And for my regulars out there, please know that I keep you in my prayers and my blessing. Please continue your work to keep yourself healthy and happy. Today I come to you with a yoga tutorial in a way that going to help you to be mindful with your Cobra pose and Bhujangasana so you can get the best from this pose. Let me meet me on the mat. Bhujangasana or Cobra pose has so many benefits. Like it's strengthening your spine, the muscles in your back. It keeps your chest open. It brings your shoulder back. This is good posture. It's also help your blood to flow more, which means it brings energy into your body, and it also may help alleviate the feeling of depression, anxiety. However, to perform Cobra pose for the best of your body, there are points in the body that you have to be mindful of, and I would love to share them with you so you can use those points with your Cobra practice in the future. So you first will keep yourself safe, and second, get the best from what Cobra pose has to offer. Okay. So when you're on your belly, the first thing I want you to pay attention is that when your feet are on the floor, you should be able to feel your little toes in Cobra pose at all time, no matter how high you get yourself out of the floor. All right? That's one. Second, your hand placement can be vary. If you tight, it's better to have your hands wider. It also will be beneficial to have it on your fingertips. And plus, more in front of the chest. Because if you tight, the broader of the hand, the height, will help you to draw your shoulder blades onto your back easier, which means that you are in the position of keep your chest open. If you are not really tight, you can bring your hand closer to your chest, and you can even bring your hand lower than your chest. And next, the height of the Cobra pose from one person to the other will be vary. If you are tight and you are also weak, you may not come off from the floor as high, and it's okay. Now, what you have to be mindful when you perform Cobra pose is that when you want to come off from the floor more and more, you should not roll your leg outwardly and you start to feel your toes and you cannot find your pinky toes anymore. Remember, you should be able to find your pinky toe at all time. And the higher and higher you come off from the floor, you should still also be able to draw your shoulder blades onto your back, and your chest is still open at all time. Two more points here that I want to share is that your lower back will start to feel something if you tight and you come so high. Okay? Be mindful of that. The way to keep your lower back safe is that you have to draw your core in away from the floor as you add height. And don't forget that you still have your neck that you need to be mindful of. Make sure that it's in line with the opening of your chest, not just collapse backward. Get that? Time and time again from my in-person teaching classes is that a lot of people pay more attention of the height of the pose, and then they rather shoulder forward, they are on their big toes, and they cannot find their little toes anymore. Like these Cobra pose, yeah, you have height. Your upper body is actually kind of working out right now, but you are routing your shoulder forward, which means you are actually in a bad posture, and you rotate your hip actually more forward because all you can feel is your toes. And what that does is that you are actually compress your lower back quite strongly, and sooner or later your lower back is not going to be happy. All right, I hope you get the point, or revisit all these points and be mindful about them. Okay, so then when you perform your Cobra pose next time, not just the destination of the pose, the journey that take you there, that you keep yourself in a good form, will make these Cobra pose of yours go into the next level safely and effectively. Namaste, everyone. If you liked this video and want more of what I have to offer, please subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends and families. Feel free to leave comments and questions. I also teach online live class every Saturday. Link will be on the description below. And last but not least, if you want to donate to my channel, the link is also there. Thanks so much. See you next time. Namaste.